Okay, so we have a quick update of the model of the olive section that we sculpted today. So let me bring this guy in. So this guy's ready for me to toolpath. Just so I can clarify, if you can send me an email and let me know what the dimension is from the tip of this leaf down to here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scale this guy. Right now this thing's way oversized for that I used for the cleanup and sculpting of the leaves and everything and the olives. But if you can give me the dimension of height and width, I'm going to scale it three-dimensionally and see if what our width comes in. But if you can give me the ideal dimension, I can morph it. I can scale it 1D to stretch it, and then stretch it again if it doesn't go to the dimension that we want. But if you can give me the dimension from tip of leaf to the cut of the stem, and then from this leaf over to here in the width, and then I can scale that on the final part. So anyway, that's what we got thus far. I will talk to you soon. Thank you.